Welcome to the SIC AM Malaysian Motocross Round 4 2007, and it'll all be happening at the Sepang Motocross circuit over a 1.124 kilometers circuit. It is a very challenging circuit, but this is what happens right before the event. Registration of all the riders must be done perfectly, and here we watch the riders and the mechanics getting their bikes prepared, psyching themselves up for the battle ahead. And yes, there we've got one rider there just waiting for action to begin. In preparation, it is the setting up, it's the checking of the last minute check here. Well, this is James Robinson. Well, he is definitely one very familiar figure in the expert category. We've got even the Cubs, we've got the mini bikes, we've got a whole lot of categories right here to suit all the riders who want to take part. We've got below 12, we've got above 35, we've got the veterans, and that is what makes this particular event a very exciting enough. And there's a lot of interest here. We've got a lot of sponsors. As you see, Bras Jati has also got a team. Well, after 3 rounds, the overall championship standing for the mini bikes, it's Muhammad Adam on 206 points, followed by Cash and Chester Rausch. And then in the Cub Cross, it's being led by Muhammad Daniel on 151 points. Muhammad Fazali is in second spot. For the trail bikes is Muhammad Azrul Mansur, 181 points, for Hazlan Shah in second spot, and in third is Suzailan Basar. And for the slack riders is being led by Muhammad Amin Khalid, followed by Kwong Wit Kik and Kwang Phiu Brian, and that's all from Singapore. And from the slack riders, we move on to the next category, the veterans. And here we've got Chris Sullivan on 167 points, followed by Kan Yen Yang on 136, and third is Stephen Rausch. And from the veteran, we've got the junior, the under-12s. We've got Hairil Shazwan Muhammad here Afandi leading the field after 3 rounds from Faizuddin on 157, and Muhammad Zahin Muhammad Jais in third spot. For the novice open, we've got Muhammad Habibullah on a Kawasaki leading it from Muhammad Nuriman and Muhammad Hairi Zakaria. And looking at the experts, right there we've got Pierre-Yves Katri, the Frenchman, on a Honda leading on 195 points. James Robinson is in second spot, and Muhammad Ahmed Yusuf in third. And for the SIC bulletin, we are seeing some of the officers with SIC. They've just returned from climbing Mount Kinabalu, and they are in good spirits. Let's listen to what they have to say.
Objektif utama kita sebenarnya adalah untuk mengadakan aktiviti riadah bagi para pekerja SIC ini, terutamanya selepas kita berpenat lelah menganjurkan event Formula 1. Kita ingin melihatlah macam mana keupayaan para pekerja SIC, sama ada kita boleh buat aktiviti ini ataupun tidak. Untuk program ini, pada mulanya kita menerima penyertaan lebih kurang 25 orang, tetapi di saat-saat akhir peserta yang dapat ikut kita ialah lebih kurang 20 orang. Memandangkan aktiviti ini agak berjaya dan kami rasa sungguh seronok dengan aktiviti ini, kita ada beberapa cadanganlah, di antaranya ialah untuk mengadakan program pendakian ataupun penjelajahan ke Gunung Mulu di Sarawak, dan ada juga rakan-rakan lain yang teringin nak naik lagi sekali ke Gunung Kinabalu tu.
Pertama sekali pengalaman tu memanglah bukan mudah nak naik Gunung Kinabalu ni seperti apa yang dijangkakan oleh orang-orang lain lah. Pertama sekali kita perlukan fitness. Keduanya kita perlukan toleransi antara kawan-kawan, sebab bila kita nak naik tu kita perlukan support daripada kawan-kawan. Persiapan kami bermula selepas Formula 1 lah. Selepas kita dah tahu tarikh bila kita nak pergi, iaitu selepas Super GT. Pertama sekali kami lakukan latihan seperti kami main futsal, ada yang berjogging, ada yang pergi gym. Tapi kebanyakan kami lakukan sukan secara beramai-ramai lah. Setiap ada kira kita punya ketua tu, dia ketua dan kita punya sweeper lah, sebab senang untuk jaga semua kan. So ketua akan bawa sedikit medical punya equipment.